How to live stream on SKOUT. Are guys facing issues to live stream on SKOUT application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To start a live stream, first of all, open SKOUT app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, make sure your camera and microphone are enabled. If both of the settings are enabled, now on the home screen you'll be able to see this option for live. Click on live. After you click on live, you'll be able to see this option for start stream. Tap on start stream. After you click on start stream, add title or description for each stream so viewers know what it's about. You can also select filters as effect to enhance your broadcast. Tap start live to go live. Viewers nearby or from around the world can join your stream and send virtual gifts to you. When you are done, tap in live. You can choose to save the broadcast or let it disappear. That's it guys, that's how you can start a live stream on SKOUT application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.